Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items for just $3. So of course I will walk you through step by step exactly how I did each of these deals. That way you know how to replicate them as well. But first, just a couple of announcements. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you have not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. If you click the little notification bell, you will get a notification each time I post a video. That way you never miss a deal. I have a goal, and it was a stretch goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I am behind on that goal, and as much as I hate saying that, that is the truth. But as a thank you to you all for helping me get to 8,000 subscribers, I am doing a gift card giveaway. And I mentioned the details of that giveaway in my Walgreens video that I posted on Sunday. So if you want to get entered into that giveaway, go check out my Walgreens video that I posted on Sunday. And Walgreens is on fire this week. I actually posted 2 Walgreens videos, one on Sunday and then one yesterday, Tuesday, of additional deals that I did. As I continue to hit those milestones, I will continue to do giveaways for you all. One last thing I want to mention before I get into the deals. I recently had the opportunity to be a guest on a podcast over with Chris the Maximizer, and I will link that podcast below if you're interested in checking it out. I was able to talk about kind of how I got into saving money, as well as how I got into YouTube and sharing that information with other people. So I really appreciate her for having me on, and if you want to check it out, I will link it down below. Let's talk about the deals that you can snag over at Walmart. Okay, so I grabbed the turtles again. They're $1. You can find these by the register. You get 75 cents back on Ibotta, making this just 25 cents. Now, I was working toward the midweek money maker bonus on Ibotta. That was a mouthful. For $5 when I redeemed 18 offers. So I did end up hitting that in this haul. So I got an additional $5 back from Ibotta. I had a new bonus pop up from Ibotta for $45 when I redeemed, I think 140 offers. Pretty sure I'm not gonna hit 140 offers in like a month, but I'm certainly gonna give it my best effort, I think. That's a lot of offers. But if you're not using Ibotta yet and you want to grab it and start doing some of these deals, grab it using my referral code because they're currently offering a $10 welcome bonus. I also grabbed this freebie. Finally found it in the store. The Chobani Cold Brew Coffee, priced at $3.78. Ibotta has an offer for $3.78 back, making it completely free. But if you also use the Shopkick app, you can get an additional 50 cents back with Shopkick, making it a 50-cent moneymaker. Now, if you are new to Shopkick, I do have a promo code that will get you $5 back when you use that code and scan your first receipt. Shopkick is an awesome app, and I'm going to be mentioning a few Shopkick deals for you. Okay, this Veggie Craft Pasta. So again, I finally found this in store. A lot of the stores around me don't carry it. But this is $2.98. Ibotta has an offer for $2 back, and that was a limit of 5, making them just 98 cents, and you could get 5 boxes if you want. But my Fetch Rewards app had an offer for $1.50 back, but that was 1 per receipt. So you could only submit that one once on the receipt, but it was also a limit of 5, so you would just have to buy it 5 individual trips. So that made this 1 box free and a 52-cent moneymaker. Now, if you are new to Fetch Rewards, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $2 back when you scan your first receipt. Okay. Easy Ibotta offer. This dinosaur egg instant oatmeal, as well as a few other varieties, are priced at $2.50 regular price. Ibotta is giving $1.50 back, making this box just $1. So this is a great price if you like oatmeal. Also a great donation item. I grabbed the Cheetos mac and cheese cup. These are priced at 96 cents. Ibotta has an offer for 20 cents back, making it just 76 cents. Now, I also grabbed the boxes of mac and cheese. There is an Ibotta offer, but the offer is better on Swagbucks. And I know I've mentioned this before. I don't combine Swagbucks with any other rebate app because Swagbucks says not to. So I do not do that. So when you say, hey, there's also an offer on such and such, I'm aware that there are offers on multiple apps. Sometimes I'm not, and I totally appreciate y'all telling me when you see stuff. But I choose not to combine Swagbucks with any other app because it says not to, and I'm just a rule follower by nature. But these are 96 cents a box. Grab 2 of them. You will get $1.50 back on Swagbucks for purchasing 2, making it 42 cents for both of them, or just 21 cents each. Now, Swagbucks is the app that I feel like a lot of people have the most trouble with or the most questions on. I do have a full tutorial on that app as well as all the other apps, but if you want to check that out, I will drop a link to the tutorial down in the video description box below. Speaking of Swagbucks, if you like riced veggies, there are a few different Green Giant riced veggies that are priced at $2.48. If you grab 2 of those, you're going to get $4 back on Swagbucks, which makes it just 48 cents per bag, which is an awesome price. I think I've told y'all before, I make cauliflower fried rice with these, and I think it's delicious, and I eat a bunch of it. Also, cauliflower stuffing, riced cauliflower stuffing. So this was a little bit more expensive, but it sounded really good because it has cranberries. It has all sorts of veggies in it. Okay, but it's $3.72, and there's an offer for 50% back on Ibotta. So I got $1.86 back on Ibotta, making this bag just $1.86. So I'm excited to try. Have y'all tried this? Let me know if you've tried it and if it's any good, because I'm excited to try that one. Another deal I did over at Walgreens this week, you can also do it at Walmart. Grab 5 of these brisk teas. Now, they're $1 each, so that's $5. Submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where they're giving $3 back for purchasing 5, making it $2 for all 5 of them, or 40 cents each. Another interesting offer that I grabbed was on this Deli Meat. So it's a Sara Lee Southern fried chicken flavor. Sounded interesting. I don't eat a lot of meat, but I went ahead and grabbed this because it was free. It is like $7.97 a pound. So I asked for 1/4 of a pound. They gave me 1/3 of a pound, which is totally fine. But it was $2.33 was the total price. The Shopkick app was giving back 610 kicks for scanning it and buying it. So that is $2.40 back, making it completely free. Now, when I scanned my receipt to Ibotta, the $2 offer on Ibotta also picked up, and I didn't catch it. So it shouldn't have applied because you're supposed to have to purchase a pound to get that $2 back. But the Ibotta app did give me the $2 back, so it ended up being free and a $2.07 moneymaker there. If I had noticed, I could have unclicked that offer because I knew it shouldn't have qualified. Okay, also up by the register, the Mentos Mints. These are $3.12, 2 apps that have offers on this. One, the Ibotta app is giving $1 back. Shopkick is also giving $1.84 back, making this package of mints just 28 cents. And this is perfect for like a stocking stuffer. We also do that saran wrap ball at the holidays where we wrap up all sorts of goodies and play a game with the family. And so that's a great thing to stick into something like that as well. Let's see, other food. Was that all of the food? I think so. This deal I also did over at Walgreens, but you can do it at Walmart as well. Check your Fetch Rewards app. See if you have the Swab body wash offer for $1 back. If so, you can grab 5 of these for free. These are priced at 97 cents. The app is giving $1 back with a limit of 5. I had already done 3 over at Walgreens earlier this week, so I just grabbed 2 at Walmart, making them completely free. You can also grab the soap. So the Suave soap is $1.97. Fetch Rewards is giving $1 back, making it 97 cents. Now, when I submitted my receipt, the Fetch Rewards app did not catch this. It does qualify. I just had to correct my receipt in their app and say I bought Suave soap, $1.97, and then they gave me the $1 back on that. Another Ibotta offer, these Clorox wipes over in the travel section. These are priced at 97 cents each. You want to grab 2 of them. That's a total price of $1.94. The Ibotta app is giving $1.75 back when you buy 2, making these just 19 cents for both of them. I also grabbed the Colgate Renewal toothpaste. This is my favorite toothpaste, but it's $6.96, which I am never going to pay for toothpaste. But there are a few ways to get money back on this. One, submit your receipt to the coupons.com app. You're going to get $3 back there. Then submit to Ibotta for $3 back. Also, the Shopkick app has $2.86 back, making it completely free and $1.90 moneymaker. I grabbed the Poise pads as well, the One by Poise liners at $5.46. There's a $3 rebate when you submit your receipt to coupons.com app, as well as a $1.50 on Ibotta, making these just 96 cents. Now, I know some people had Fetch Rewards offers for these. I did not, but double check your Fetch Reward app and see if you have an offer for the One by Poise. I had one just for Poise pads, but it said it excluded the One by Poise. The Palmolive deal I did last week. This is a Swag Bucks offer. These are still priced at $2 at my store, and I grabbed 3 of them for a total cost of $6. Swag Bucks is giving $5 back when you buy 3, making it $1 for all 3, or just 33 cents a bottle. Now, the last deal, I think I hit them all. The last deal I want to tell you about involves a gift card rebate as well as the Shopkick app. It is on these Johnson's baby products. So I grabbed the Johnson's Vanilla and Oat lotion. I grabbed the Johnson's Vanilla and Oat body wash. Then I grabbed the Johnson's Shea and Cocoa Butter body wash, the Johnson's Shea and Cocoa Butter lotion. And then, because of this gift card offer, I purchased 1 more Johnson's product to get my total above $25. So I grabbed the head to toe 27 ounce. Now, grabbing all of those products together on one receipt got me to $25.80. There is an Activate Rewards gift card offer for getting $10 back when you spend $25. I will link it down in the video description box for you below. So I will get $10 back on a gift card from that rebate. It has not processed yet. But then Shopkick has an offer for 750 kicks back on each of these. And when you scan it, you get 15 kicks. So that's 3,060 kicks back on Shopkick, which is a total of $12.24. So I'll get a total of $22.24 back, making my total cost for all of those items just $2.76 or 69 cents per item. And if you have a baby, or you're giving a baby gift, or you have a baby shower coming up, that is an amazing price for these items. So like I said, I will drop a link for that rebate below. There's tons of different products that qualify for the rebate. I just decided to do it with these Johnson's baby products because there was that high value offer on the Shopkick app as well. And I think that was everything. Like I said, I ended up paying, after that $5 midweek moneymaker bonus from Ibotta, just $3 total for all of these items and all stuff that we will use or donate. So I was super happy with that. If you guys have questions, please let me know down in the comment section below. And don't forget to jump over to my Walgreens video right now and get yourself entered for that gift card giveaway. Thanks.